Welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to take a look at my 2007 Honda Accord EXL. Now the L comes with the leather interior. That trim comes with the leather interior. It's a 5-speed manual. Great car. It just needs some TLC, small things. I guess that's why the owner got rid of it. They actually junked the car, and I had a pretty old beat up car. I wasn't even ashamed to even take any videos with it. I'll see if I insert a few pictures if I do have any. Okay guys, if you want to see this build on a budget, first of all, I'm going to do all the maintenance. I'm going to round up the cost, what it even take to like bring this car back to working order. It wasn't working order just to get it home, but as soon as I got it home, check engine light came on, the brake light came on because it was leaking from the rear brake caliper. I already did those stuff, but I'm still going to include it in the build list just for maintenance. Then I'm going to have another list for upgrades. We're going to be doing coilovers with the upgrades. We're going to be doing wheels with upgrades. We're going to be doing tint, maybe a new front windshield. I'm still contemplating on that, if I can get away with it still. I heard that the DMV sometimes just check to see if it's like a large crack, but it's like it got struck here and then it spread. So I'm hoping that they are lenient with me. Anyways, maybe a front lip. All of this is gonna be on a tight budget, so whatever cannot be afforded, we will have to cheap out on that. Okay, it's gonna look dope with it lowered, and I want to experience a car being lowered. I've never experienced a car being lowered at its stock height, and I've heard that the center of gravity, you actually feel the center of gravity when you're going around turns like that. I want to experience what that is like. So me doing coilovers for the first time and experiencing that, I'm stoked, I'm excited, and I can't wait. As soon as I get the list done, I'm gonna order everything. I'm gonna start with that. Right now we need to do maintenance. All right guys, so gotta replace valve cover gasket. I gotta do the timing chain cover because it's leaking from there, and VTEC solenoid gasket is at the back there. I had knock sensor that was hard to get somewhere down there, and then coolant sensor down there, and I can't remember what else, but I got those out. O2 sensor at the back there and on the bottom as well. So I got 2 O2 sensors. I got everything that is concerning that would lead to a check engine light. Got those out of the way. Engine is running great. It needs an oil change. It's actually due in a few days. So I'm gonna get that out of the way, and we're gonna go through this whole build process together. We're gonna be learning together, because not only I am not a mechanic by any stretch of the imagination, but I'm gonna be learning, and anything I don't learn, I would love if you guys share information. I'm open to criticism, good, the bad, the ugly. You bring it.